Firstly, I would like to say that this whole experience felt bougie. But anyways, it's the Bird Sanctuary again. This time it was with Nanans, because last time, if you watched the vlog, it was with Carl. I forget the other people's name, but the people who were around. And basically this time it was a 3-course meal, people. Pumpkin soup, spring roll. I mean, the view plus the meal, like food, like you see much food, like look at it tastes divine too. Plus you're getting to eat that while you're watching the flamingos and the national bird. I mean, yo, the experience was bomb. Then we got the view. Then of course there was chocolate cake. I love chocolate cake. I forget about the video and I started to eat, but still I got it, people.